Hey everyone, today I am going to be giving you a tour of the Gerbil's new enclosure. So this is the Living World Green Eco Habitat from Zoo Plus and it cost me £159. So the dimensions are 118.5 by 78.5 by 61 centimetres. So as you can tell, it is a very large enclosure and I am going to just show you what it looks like. Over here is their digging area and I gave them lots of bedding so they could dig lots of tunnels and stuff. So that's how deep I've filled it, and they love to dig, so yeah, I gave them plenty of bedding so they could do all that. And then to separate the digging area from this area, I used two large bendy log sticks bridges and they just run across there, and there is a little bit cut out the top of there so they can get over. So that just separates the two areas. And then leading to the shelf we have this wooden ladder. So that just goes to here. And then here is their shelf, which has a pot of this grass on it, and they haven't had that for long, so I'm not sure if they like it or not, but we will see. So that's their shelf. And then to get down from their shelf they have this piece of cork which just goes down there. Here is their water bottle, which is attached to this bottle holder, and that just hooks over onto the bendy log sticks bridges. Next to that is another bendy log sticks bridge, and I have loads of these. This is just in like an arch shape and it leads up to their wheel, which actually isn't in their cage at the moment, but I will show you it once the lid's back on because it's attached to the lid. And then next to that they have this wooden shelf thing, and I got this from Zoo Plus, so it's kind of similar to that but there's different levels on it, so that leads over to this area. And then next to that they have their sand bath, which is actually a vase which you put flowers in, but it works really well as a sand bath because like the sides on the top are curved in so they can't really kick the bedding out or anything. I also buried some things in their digging area which they could dig up, and they have dug up most of the things. So there's this cork tunnel here which they have dug up, and then there's this wooden house here which they've dug up underneath but they haven't been inside it yet. And then there is like another cork tunnel there but you can't see it because it's hidden behind the bedding, and then this is where their nest is. So here is an overview of their enclosure. Here is the lid and it is made of wood, and as you can see it is well ventilated because it's got all of these gaps in the wood. And then there are just these like slidey things here which hold it in place, so they just kind of twist and then it just stops anything from lifting it up. And then I attach the wheel on using these cable ties. So I use 4 cable ties and then attach the wheel on underneath, and it's really hard to see because it's quite dark, but that's where their wheel is.